Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the history of Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Pascal programming language. Pascal is a high-level programming language that was originally designed in the late 1960s and early 1970s by Nicholas Wirth, a Swiss computer scientist. The language was named after the famous French mathematician and philosopher Blaise Pascal. The initial design of Pascal was motivated by the desire to create a language that was simple and easy to learn, yet powerful enough to be used for serious programming tasks. Wirth's goal was to create a language that was suitable for teaching computer science to beginners but also had the features necessary for professional software development. The first version of Pascal was released in 1970 and it quickly gained popularity in the academic community as a language for teaching computer science. Pascal was designed to be easy to learn and use with a simple syntax that was easy to read and write. In 1974, Wirth published a book called Algorithms plus Data Structures equals Programs, which presented Pascal as the language of choice for implementing the algorithms and data structures discussed in the book. This book helped to establish Pascal as a serious programming language for professional software development. Over the years, Pascal has evolved and been updated with new features and capabilities. One of the most significant developments was the creation of Object Pascal, an extension to the language that added support for object-oriented programming. Today, Pascal is still used in some areas of software development, particularly in scientific and engineering applications. The language has also influenced the development of other programming languages such as Delphi and Free Pascal. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the history of Pascal programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like and share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.